Hello dear children, welcome back to my channel Zeal to Learn. In today's video, I'll explain how to rationalize the denominator. First, we'll understand what is meant by rationalizing the denominator. As you may see on the screen, I have written a few numbers. 1 upon square root of 2, then the next is 1 upon root 3 minus 2, then we have 2 plus root 3 upon root 7 minus root 6. As you can see, all these numbers are irrational numbers. The denominators are all irrational. Now, rationalizing the rationalizing the denominator means you have to convert the denominators into rational form. That is, you have to remove the square root sign from the denominator. Okay, that is meant by rationalizing the denominator. Now, rationalizing the denominator is just a way of expressing the number in a different form. The same number we are writing in a different form. For example, rationalizing 1 upon root 2. What happens if we multiply 1 upon root 2 by root 2 upon root 2? See what will happen. 1 into, in the numerator you have 1 into root 2, which will be equal to root 2 again. Okay, and in the denominator you will have root 2 into root 2. So what will we get? We will get root 2 upon root 2 whole square. Now root 2 whole square means again it is equal to 2, isn't it? This root and square will cancel each other and we'll be left with only 2. That means we have rationalized the denominator. We have written the same number 1 upon root 2 in a different form which has 2 as the denominator. That means the denominator is a rational number. Now this is how we rationalize the denominator. In this case, root 2 is known as the rationalizing factor for root 2. I hope it is clear to all of you. So what have we made use of here? Root of x into root of x is equal to x. Okay, this is an important thing which you have to remember. Okay, next we come to the second question which was there, that is 1 upon root 3 minus 2. Now before rationalizing the denominator of this number, I like to remind you of an identity which we did in one of the previous classes. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. We'll make use of this identity here. Now if you can see, the denominator of this number 1 upon root 3 minus 2 is root 3 minus 2. What if we multiply root 3 minus 2 by its conjugate? Conjugate means the sign, that is the minus sign in between root 3 and 2 will become plus. So the conjugate of this number is root 3 plus 2. Okay, root 3 minus 2 has the conjugate root 3 plus 2. What if we multiply both these? So you can see here we can apply the identity a plus b into a minus b, because both the terms are same, and one bracket there is a plus, there is a, and in the other there is a minus. So we can use the apply this identity. Instead of a I have root 3, so it will be equal to, and in the second one instead of b I have 2. So root 3 whole square will be 3 and 2 whole square will be 4. So I'll get minus 1. I hope it is clear. And minus 1 is a rational number. That means we have rationalized the number root 3 minus 2 by multiplying by root 3 plus 2. But what happens if we do it just in the denominator? The number will change. but we don't want the number to change. We only want to write it in a different form. So what we'll do is, we'll multiply and divide with the same number. So how will we rationalize it? Into root 3 plus 2, and in the denominator also root 3 plus 2. Okay, now as we have seen, it will be equal to the numerator 1 into root 3 plus 2 will be again root 3 plus 2, and in the denominator you can see we'll have root 3 whole square minus 2 whole square, which will be equal to root 3 whole square is 3 minus 4, which is again equal to root 3 plus 2 upon minus 1. This is the solution. Now we'll take one more example. 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. So what will be the conjugate of root 7 minus root 6? It will be root 7 plus root 6. So you will have root 7 plus root 6. Okay, so in the numerator again 1 into root 7 plus root 6 will again give you root 7 plus root 6, and in the denominator again we'll apply the identity a plus b into a minus b. It will give you root 7 whole square minus root 6 whole square. So the numerator will remain as it is, root 7 plus root 6, and in the denominator you will get 7 minus 6. See here, root 7 whole square will be 7, root 6 whole square will be 6. So you will get root 7 plus root 6 upon 1. That means we have rationalized the denominator. I hope you have understood.